Okay, today we're working on an iPhone 11 that's dead. As you can see, it's not charging, but according to the TriStar Hydra tester, that's okay. So we're going to open her up and see what's going on. And with the board out of the housing, I like to connect it to the DC power supply. And when we prompt some power into it, as you can see, it shoots over 2 amp, indicating that there is a short on the main power rail. So we'll just quickly take the gaskets off because we'll be using them. And then what I like to do is put it under the thermal imaging camera. And as you can see, it gets hot underneath that bottom shield, which is where the backlight circuit is. So we'll have to take off that shield, give it a bit of freeze spray, and when we inject the power, you can see this capacitor gets hot straight away, indicating that's blown. So what we'll do is we'll take that capacitor off the board and replace it with one from a donor board. With the multimeter, I'll just confirm that the short has gone, which it has. So now we can just tin them pads up and drop on the new capacitor. Sometimes when them capacitors blow, it might take out the diode as well, and if that happens, you will get a dim patch on the backlight. So sometimes you might have to change the diode as well. So now, with it together, we can have a look and see if we've got full working backlight. So it's charging nicely, pulling just over 1 amp, and we've got full backlight. Job's a good one.